After your contact section, you should have an introduction section, and usually it's an objective or a summary statement. Now, which one to use, that is a question a lot of people ask. So the objective statement is very traditional. It's what's been used for past decades that everyone knows. It focuses on the job seeker's objective. So it's tailored to the job you're applying to. So for example, it would be like what are you wanting out of the job? Like, I am here because I love advising students at a college. It's all about you. It's the job seeker's objective. Now, there's also, it's not used so common these days, but it can be used. There are reasons to use it, and we'll get to that. Now, the career summary highlights skills and work history in a simple statement. And it advertises yourself, but it also shows how you can help the company. It focuses on the needs of the company rather than the job seeker's objective. So it's like, if you want to make sense of it, it's like, what can I do for you is the career summary, and what do I want is the objective statement. And like I said, there is a place for each of them, and we'll get to that. So this is a chart of the differences between the two. So if you read each one, it'll show you, and we'll go through them. The objective statement should reference the job posting for relevant keywords and job requirements. And the same for the summary, the career summary. Now, those are the same, but we'll get to the differences. So, objective uses passive voice. Passive voice is you're not showing action verbs. It's not showing you doing the actions. It's like, I am this, or I want to be this. It's being verbs. So you're saying what you want and not really being super direct. Now, summary statement will use active voice, so action words. It'll be like, I directly managed blah, blah, blah. So action verb is managed and directly. Objective statement does not use specific examples because it's focused on what you want. So the specific example is, for an example, wanting to be an advisor for college students. You're not looking in the past at what you can bring. But the summary statement does that. It's using specific examples from your work history to prove your success. So I would say that I have successfully graduated 20 students while I was an advisor for interdisciplinary studies in just a year. That would be a statement, and it would be very direct and having a specific example. Like I stated on the previous slide, the objective statement is focused on job seekers' goals, where the summary, it shifts the focus to the company and their needs. So, and what I said before, there is a place for both. So the objective statement is good for those wanting to change career fields or just entering the workforce. But the summary statement is good for those staying in the same career field. So if you make sense of it, if you stay in the same career field, you want to show what you've done in that career field and what you can do for that new place, like the new university or new management place. But objective statement, if you've never had a job before, you do need to state what you want because there's no past history telling that. So here are some examples. The objective statement: elementary education teacher looking for a position at a small independent school where I can apply my 5 years of teaching experience, my curriculum development skills, what that person's looking for. Now, summary statement: experienced and driven advertising manager with international experience in digital display, programmatic, VOD, and social media planning. From 2012 to 2017, my direct efforts expanding the company's active customer base by more than 15%. You can see the difference. It's very, very specific to examples from the past, and it was not as specific with the objective statement.